Ohayo gozaimasu. Watashi ga sonkei shite iru Operation Manager Tujinji Manager desu. Tusan no Jugion no Sosansei no Teikan Nisui o Hanashi Surukika o Itadaki. Ureseku omaimasu. Mazu seisaku bumon no Sutafu kara Niri no Doryo o Sokai shimasu. Ichi hotimi wa no Fianti no Ichi wa Elsa desu. Well, then we will directly discuss the problem of decreasing employee productivity in our company. From May, our company employee productivity has decreased drastically, causing problem for our company. Some of these problems include the company experiencing a loss, the resulting product experiencing a decrease in quality, being overwhelmed with work so that the production target is not met, and conflict between employees due to this discrepancy. Therefore, we need to discuss this problem and then find the right solution to fix this problem. A more detailed discussion will be conveyed by Miss Novi.
Well, thank you to the head of staff for giving me the opportunity. I will discuss the decline in employee productivity in 2022. The first is regarding the level of employee attendance, where in the month of May, there were a lot of employees who did not come. Judging by reason why employees did not come to work, as in the following report. Most employees did not provide information and exceeded the company's tolerance. This is because many employees are undisciplined and do not feel responsible to their work. During the month of May this year, since for the attendance, there were also many employees who were often late for not coming to work and coming home from work as determined. This makes our company performance less good.
Well, thanks to Miss Navianti, the next discussion will be delivered by Miss Elsa from the Operation Department staff.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will continue the explanation from Mrs. Novianti. Due to this, the performance of the employees also seem to have decreased significantly, resulting in a decrease in production output by 30% from the previous month. This will be a big obstacle for our company if it's not resolved soon. This is also due to the lack of manpower from what has been conveyed by Mrs. Novianti regarding the presence of these things greatly affects the level of productivity in our company. In the last 6 months, the number of product defects produced is more than 20% of the product. So this will cause losses for the company if it's not repaired immediately. Of all the targets that have been set, the production target can only be achieved by 40%. This is a very drastic decrease when compared to last year, which can even exceed the target that has been set. That's all I can report, so I will return it to the staff of headmaster. Thank you.
Well, thank you to my college who have given presentation about the decline in employee productivity. Previously, did the manager want to ask were there any addition from the human resource and operation manager?
はい、事前にコンセプトの会議資料を同様にご紹介いただきました。ミニマシーの監査マシ上げます。しかし、 Higoyin no sensei no teika o hiyokosu yoi no nikai saru kaiket sasuka arimasu ka?
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Here I will discuss about the solution. After conducting a survey of several employees, it can be seen that there are several reasons why there has been a decline in employee productivity. The first is regarding employee motivation, which is decreasing due to the incompetence of employees to use the lathe machines that we use for production activities in this year. Moreover, 4 months ago, there was an employee accident incident while doing production. This made the employees worried about work safety. Therefore, it is necessary to retrain employees so that these employees can more easily adapt to the new machine. In addition, there are also other reasons why employees lose work motivation because rewards to employees who are able to exceed the target and salaries that are no longer attractive in this day. So the thing we need to do is adapt to the present, such as increasing the salaries of employees to match the contributions they have made and providing even more attractive rewards for employees with good performance. The next step is to motivate employees and provide direction. This is very important to do so that employees always feel excited and do not feel burdened in doing their jobs. So that way the work motivation of employees can come back again. That's all I can say. Then I will return it to the headmaster staff. Thank you.
Well, thanks to Miss Elsa, we can report to the operation manager and human resource manager regarding the decline in employee productivity that occurred this year. How to the manager are our reports and suggestions acceptable, or do you have other suggestion? Can be submit and let's discuss the solution.
制作部門のスタッフから提出された情報とレポートありがとうございます。従業員の新しい機械の使用能力の欠如による従業員の生産性の低下に関して提出された調査の結果、提案を加えれば、これらの問題を克服するために、トレーニングプログラムや従業員トレーニングを提供できると思います。トレーニングは従業員のパフォーマンスに大きな影響を与えるからです。トレーニングプログラムを通じて従業員の生産性を向上させる方法は、会社のすべての従業員、特に新入社員が専門的に働くことができるようにするために非常に重要です。それが私が言えることのすべてです。人事マネージャーの意見は何ですか？
Well, I appreciate the sufficient information and report from the production department staff. For the problem of decreased productivity about many employees who are undisciplined and less responsible for the work that occurs because of the lack of employee motivation. Therefore, we must increase employee motivation by providing gift or incentive to employees who are able to do the work as expected by the company. Then for the problem of employees who are less proficient in using neo machine and employee performance that is not accordance with the SOP. I agree with Mr. Dandy's opinion to the employees so that employee can adjust to use of the new machine and can again increase to company target. Furthermore, to ensure work safety, we will guarantee work safety will where we will increase the safety and health of employee. No need to worry about work safety. That's all can say. Thank you.
Sate operan je santo jinji manija sankara no tejan yake se suka. Arigato gozaimasu. Kankai no giron kara jukion sansatse. Teika no mondai kara kudasai reru kete watsugi no torider. To kasuran severu otok ga dekimasu. Growing employee motivation by providing rewards or incentive to employees who are able to do the work as expected by the company. Conducting a training program for employee training related to the use of the machine. Uh, Increase employee salaries or wage to match the contribution that have been made. Go reseki no minamas hoka ni iti koto wa arimasu ka?
Sate, como pueden so a setsume sete kurete stapu ni kansa shimasu to saste. Watashi tachi ga kete saku o jetsugen suru tame ni subetea junbi shimasu.
Alright then. Kyo na keiji wa ijo desu. Kyo na keiji ni suseki shi unyo kanritsa to doryo ni domo arigatou gozaimasu.